What's the meaning of Artex? Artex. Artex.
Artex. Artex. Artex is a type of textured coating that is often applied to ceilings and walls for decorative purposes. It was popular in the 1970s and 1980s and typically features patterns or swirls that are meant to add visual interest to a room. The application process involves using a special spray gun to create the desired texture, which can range from subtle to more pronounced. Although Artex is still used today, it has fallen out of fashion in recent years, with many people opting for smoother finishes or alternative coatings.